Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Shipping Expert on Allchinabuy. So first of all, make sure to log in with your account, and then once you're on the top bar, you will see a van icon here, and then on the drop down you will see Shipping Expert. Click on it. Once it loads, you will see the following form. So here on the shipping list, of course, fill in the products and the shipping needs. Click select and then enter the product name, your order, and search for overdue products if it's available and the item. And then click on search. Once you do that, you select those items that you need and then add it to your shipping list. Click on that. And after that, you will select these options. If you accept shipping in separate parcels, what's your desired packing plan, and your desired shipping plan. You can leave it on default if you want. And then filling amount, enter it here. Make sure to read this note. Sending plan description, this is optional, but you can fill this out. And then, of course, your shipping address. Click on add address and then make sure to fill all of these following fields. Make sure it's accurate to prevent problems. And then here in the deduction method, you can choose I agree with auto deduction and shipment according to the suggestion of Shipping Expert, or you can choose you need to confirm the suggestion of Shipping Expert first and manually pay for parcels. The first option is better in my opinion. And then here, check on I have read and agree to the terms and conditions of Shipping Expert, and then click on pay. It will take you to your payment portal. So basically that's it.